We have learned 7 words so far. We'll make 14 sentences using them. It is important to keep the lessons learned fresh in our brain. I'll also share some useful strategies to learn French faster and never forget what you have learned. So let's get started. How do you say it is very good here? C'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici. It isn't. Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. It isn't here. Ce n'est pas ici. Ce n'est pas ici. It is very good here. C'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici. It isn't very good. Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon. It is very good. C'est très bon. C'est très bon. It isn't here. Ce n'est pas ici. Ce n'est pas ici. It is good. C'est bon. C'est bon. Now for the rest of the lesson, I'll say the French and let's see if you can tell me the English. What's the English for ce n'est pas ici? Ce n'est pas ici. It isn't here. C'est bon. C'est bon. It's good. C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. It's absolutely fantastic here. C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. It's good here. C'est très bon. C'est très bon. It is very good. Ce n'est pas bon ici. Ce n'est pas bon ici. It isn't good here. C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. It is good here. Ce n'est pas bon. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Ce n'est pas bon. C'est absolument fantastique ici. It isn't good. It is absolutely fantastic here. Now I'll share some strategies to embed French into your brain. Strategy number 1. Play around with words you know. Try making new sentences. For example, you've learned the French for it is, and you have also learned a couple of adjectives so far. Try placing different adjectives after it is. Number 2. Keep the language at the forefront of your mind. Always think about things you could say in French. Number 3. Imagine environments. For example, imagine talking to a waiter in a restaurant, you're giving feedback to him, or you're complimenting the food. Or you're talking to a friend while you're visiting a place. What could you tell them in French? Number 4. If you can't remember a word or two, write them down and keep them somewhere you have frequent access to, like sticky notes on your laptop or the wallpaper of your phone. Try to make sentences with these words frequently. Number 5. Find a partner. Find someone who is also trying to learn or is interested in learning French. Share the course with him or her so you guys can learn together. Converse with them in French. Maybe compete with them on who can finish more videos faster, or who is doing better in the test videos. Even better, to compete on who can maintain the consistency and learn at least one lesson a day. Make learning a fun journey. Thank you.